If you're sitting like this the whole day, then that's a problem. You can do all the nerve glides in the world, but if you're sitting for 8 hours on your sciatic nerve, the pain's not gonna go away. You're undoing all the hard work that you've put in. Most ergonomic chairs are actually designed for comfort, not for nerve health. In this video, I'm gonna show you simple tricks that will allow you to sit pain-free for hours. If you're wondering why you feel better in the morning, then by 4 p.m. you're in excruciating pain, your desk might be the culprit. Sitting doubles the pressure on your spine. If you have a bulging disc, sitting is like squeezing a jelly donut. And no, you don't need a $1,000 chair. You need a better strategy. Number 1, the lumbar roll. Cost $0. Take a bath towel and roll it up like this. And then place it on your lower back. The towel roll will force your spine into a neutral position. This simple roll moves the pressure away from the disc and the nerve. Without this, and if your chair is flat, you're doomed to slump. Next, your hips should be higher than your knees, and your feet must be flat on the floor. If your feet are dangling, then you're pulling your sciatic nerve from the bottom up. If your knees are higher than your hips, then you're crushing the nerve at the top. Next is your screen height. When you're looking down at a laptop or on a monitor, then your neck is pulling your spinal cord, which puts tension on your sciatic nerve. Lift your monitor up so that your eyes are level with the top third of the screen. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel so we can continue creating videos like this. We see patients who have been doing their exercises and their stretching, but the pain is not going away permanently. Adjusting how they sit is the key to getting rid of their pain permanently. Strengthening your core is very important in keeping your posture and in getting rid of your pain. Find out more in the next video.